In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Slides into a folder in your Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your presentations organized so you can find them quickly and stay on top of your projects. Start by opening any Google page in your browser. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, the small square made of dots. From that menu, choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive where all your files and folders live. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Next, locate the Google Slides file you want to move. You can scroll through your files, but the fastest way is to use the search bar at the top. Type the name of the presentation, or click the filter icon and choose the presentation file type to narrow it down to slides. Once you see the file, single-click it to highlight it without opening it. Now, right-click on the file to open the context menu. From here, select Move to or Organize. Depending on your interface, both options take you to the same place. A panel or dialog will appear showing your folders. Browse to the folder where you want the slides file to live. If you need to see subfolders, click the small arrow next to a folder name to expand it. When you've highlighted the destination folder, look for the button that confirms the move, usually labeled Move or Move Here, and click it. If the folder you want doesn't exist yet, no problem. In that same Move dialog, click the new folder icon, give your folder a clear descriptive name, and create it. Once it appears in the list, make sure it's selected, then click Move or Move Here. Your file will be placed inside that new folder instantly. You should see a quick confirmation message letting you know the move was successful. Moving a file in Drive doesn't change the content of your slides, and it won't break existing sharing settings or links. It simply updates where the file is stored. If you ever need to change the location again, repeat the same right-click and move process. And that's all there is to it. Open Drive from the Google Apps menu, find your slides file, right-click to choose Move or Organize, then select your folder or create a new one and confirm. Keeping your Drive tidy makes collaboration smoother and saves you time whenever you're looking for the right presentation.